And the next award goes to an organization headquartered at New Delhi. This is an organization that aims to bring the specialized skills of veterans into high-end adventure sports, survival, training, and self-defense. Their impact band of brothers launched a project called Operation Blue Freedom in 2019. It is an extraordinary movement to bring the realm of adventure sports into the lives of the differently abled community for their empowerment and upliftment. With more than 100 people trained for more than a year in scuba diving, this operation has been widely successful across India. The first leg of the journey culminated with the team taking a select group of their students for their first dives in the open sea at Lakshadweep. People on wheelchairs who were bound by their chains of gravity on land were now free in water. According to them, freedom is a collective experience. Either we all have it or none of us do. I request our chief guest to present the award.
The award goes to Operation Blue Freedom Foundation. Operation Blue Freedom Foundation.
Yes, Operation Blue Freedom Foundation's video, please.
सोसाइटी की वजह से या जो कुछ भी वजह है, they are being sidelined. People don't understand कि ये लोग कर क्या सकते हैं.
You know, never in my wildest of dream that I thought that I would dive, scuba dive, and then I meet Jacob and gang, and it's crazy.
I got a glimpse of what life is like for people with disabilities, people with spinal cord injuries, people living their lives on wheelchairs.
We create these barriers for people with disability. I think that's need to go away, and that's where I think law is playing a very important role.
We got together as a team and we decided to move across the country and train people with disabilities in scuba diving.
चंडीगढ़ से हम लोगों ने जर्नी स्टार्ट की.
स्कूबा डाइविंग भारत में अभी पूरी तरह से विकसित करना बाकी है. मुझे लगता है कि जो स्पेशल फोर्सेस के लोग हैं वे इस फील्ड में बहुत ही एक्सपर्ट्स होते हैं, तो उनके माध्यम से आम लोग जुड़ सकते हैं.
How do I say it? The impossible is nothing is what I feel.
I made him a promise and that one day we'll dive together, and from that I started thinking about it, of how it is possible to make that happen.
मैं ऐसे दौड़ने वाला बंदा, उछलने कूदने वाला बंदा, और सडनली मुझे चोट लगी कि एकदम मुझे हल्का जो मेरी स्पीड थी उसमें एकदम मुझे चेक मिल गया. पूरी लाइफ के मायने बदल दिए सर.
Thank you, Operation Blue Freedom team. You have given a new dimension to the social justice angle which we were working on. You have actually made one disabled woman to dive with you. That has actually given a very, very big change in the social dimension here.
Law is conquer land, air, water. A team of ex-special forces soldiers come together with their skills.
We few, we happy, we band of brothers. It's like that. इसमें तो कोई दो राय नहीं है कि हम विजटे हुए भाई हैं ना.
It's about a team. It's about an idea. कहते हैं ना कि जब कुछ चीज़ छूट जाती है या हो जाते हो तो उस चीज़ की वैल्यू पता लगती है. ये एक कॉन्सेप्ट है. इस कॉन्सेप्ट का बेसिस इज फ्रीडम. फ्रीडम नॉट ओनली फॉर पीपल विद डिसेबिलिटीज, फॉर एवरीवन.
हम लोगों ने किसी को पकड़ के खींचा नहीं है, सब अपने आप ही आए. और हाँ, ये वही कर सकता है ये काम जो अपने आप आ रहा है.
You saw that right. That was scuba diving for persons with disabilities. Here we have Operations Blue Freedom Foundation backing the inclusivity campaign. Over to you, Major.
Hi, I hope all of you can hear me.
A little bit.
Can you hear me?
Oh, yes.
Okay. So yeah, Operation Blue Freedom, it has been rightly showcased in the video. So we've been working with people with disabilities for over a year now. So all of you have spoken about various ways to empower people with disabilities. So there is political action and there is economic empowerment through jobs and so on and so forth. What we realize is that special forces soldiers share a certain mindset with people with disabilities. That is to survive first and then stabilize and then thrive. That is the mindset which we use to survive in combat. So, but the people with disabilities lead their lives with such a mindset. So we decided to come together and do this together. So besides the various ways of doing it, we decided that creating a spectacle is what is required to get the attention of the policy makers and so on and so forth, like how Mr. Deepak mentioned that, out of sight, out of mind. So one way of getting attention is to create a spectacle. So we have decided to create 3 world records by people with disabilities in all 3 elements of land, air, and water. You can Google more about us by Googling Operation Blue Freedom. So we would need as much support as possible from the disabled community, and anybody who can reach out to us. We are totally doing it out of our own resources. Anybody wants to reach out to us can reach out to us in whatever way possible. So this is our initiative. Thank you so much, Headway Foundation, for recognizing this and to spreading this message across. As much as contributing is one thing, spreading the message across. If one person with disability gets to see this video, that I can also scuba dive, is it's our success. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. You're really an inspiration.
Thank you so much, Major.
Thank you.